So anyway, welcome back to another coin video, and today we're talking about the 1988 to 89 Australian $2 coin, which actually has the HH. So the reason why is because there's actually been an article saying that these are actually a valuable coin, which basically they're actually not. So here is the actual article. And as you can see, basically on their video, which I'm not going to play, it says 198 million of these minted. New rare coin could be hiding in your change. 198 million? You really think that's going to be rare? Anyway, so in the article, little known symbol. Actually, it's not a symbol, it's an initial HH for horse turn. It does give the information here. So it says 88, 89. Okay. And then if we go down, it says it represents horse turn. Oops. Horse turn. The Royal Australian Mint chief engraver at the time the coin was introduced. So, and then they maintain the stamps are not. Coin experts have long maintained this coin. The stamps are not valuable given 200 million minted. Of course, they're not valuable. And it goes down. So some collectors trying to get top dollar for these coins, and they actually have this auction on eBay. Basically, on eBay, you can list a coin for as much as you want. I could put this $2 coin, just say, oh, it's missing the initials, or maybe it's a focus on the coin. Maybe because it has that mark there, so it's an error coin. Oh, 2002. Wow, spectacular year. Something never to be missed. Or maybe I could actually shave these off and say it's error, has no reading on it. So basically, I could actually put whatever coin I want in eBay for whatever price. Doesn't mean it's going to sell. And, this is actually a fraudulent listing. They're actually trying to defraud people. So, and they got a TikToker who says they're only worth $2. Yeah, it's pretty much, I agree with that. So, yeah, TikTok's actually becoming the actual thing. So, I'm going to open it up, and it actually sold. But when you actually go to the listing, you can see it has best offer. So maybe someone actually put in for like $1.50 or $2 for the best offer, free postage, and tried to actually troll them. So here we actually have other people actually trying to sell these coins, trying to defraud people. So rare, horse turn, rare, just don't actually buy these coins. $3,500, Don't do this to the coin collecting community. Don't try and defraud people like this. If you don't know what a coin is, just go to a coin forum. Most people that are actually experiencing coins will say, nah, this is actually not a high mint coin. It's actually a low mint coin. And here we go. We have one for sale for $15. Is that uncirculated? Yeah, it looks like uncirculated. Probably from a coin set. Yeah, I'd say that one's actually from a coin set. 1988 coin set, had 250,000 minted, so actually pretty common. Who is that anyway? Let's see what else they're actually selling. Yeah, they're actually selling coins from coin sets, which is pretty not unusual. And a lot of them are $2. So someone wants to pay $15 for a coin that's actually uncirculated. That is up to them. Okay. Let's go to $2 again. Let's see if actually any of them sold that actually had rare. I'm not talking about the uncirculated ones. Ooh. See? But this one's the next mint set. So I have no problem with that. If someone's a buy, next mint it's $10. It was a rare one. Someone bought a rare one. It's pretty well circulated. Don't. Oh no, it hasn't. It's been relisted. This one says sold. Did it really sell? Really, you're gonna buy that for $10? No, I'd buy it if it was an error, but basically not that. So if you actually want to, you go to the Royal Australian Mint. So it is just put in $2 coin. You would actually find the actual page itself, and it gives some information. So the image of the $2 coin represents Aboriginal island designed by Horst Hearn. Representation, a Southern Cross and Australian flora. Modify, blah 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 blah. So it gives lots of information. Okay, and basically it gives 88, 160.9 million, 89, 31.6 million. It says designed by Horst Hearn. The 88, 89 design carries the designer's initials. Okay, then 1990, the designer's initials were removed from the coin 1990 onwards. So that's basically what you will see. And if you have a look at the actual image on their website, it has HH here. Here it has HH. So this is not a rare coin. If you find one, just spend it for $2. If you get it uncirculated, you might be able to sell it for $10. I said you might not too. Then you get a whole bunch of years which have no initials. So don't get into this hype. So I actually have 2 coins here. Okay, so here we actually have 2 coins. HH. As you can see on the actual £1 Jimmy. So that's what his colloquial name is, £1 Jimmy. So these are 88. So this one's actually from a set because the actual mintage quality is actually a lot higher. This one's just uncirculated, pretty much worth $2. So you can tell it's actually uncirculated just by the actual edge and how beautifully it actually is. And then we actually have the 2009. So this one actually doesn't have the initials, although you can actually faintly see the actual initials down there. So they didn't entirely remove it. They just pretty much like scraped it off. And then the other issues, you can actually see it quite faintly. So if you find any of these years which actually has the initials that you can actually tell, yeah, then that would probably be worth a bit more. So if you get like another 2009, 2014, say you got a 2014, you can see the HH, yeah, that will probably actually be worth a bit of money. So that's what you need to look for. Any coins 1992 currently, the original one with HH on it. So if they don't have HH, it's just a standard series. But if they're HH, but they are not 88 or 89, then it will probably be not a common coin. But I've never found one, so anyway. Don't get into the hype of, these actual sellers just trying to rip you off. These are the same type of people who, like Ty Lopez and all that, want to talk crap just so they can actually take your money, get you excited, take your money, and then you find out later on that whatever they actually sold is pretty much worthless. So don't get into the hype. Anyway, I'll leave the video here. I'll leave a link down to eBay so you can have a good giggle. It's actually quite fun to actually find what else. And the next video I'm going to do is actually going to be about fraud errors. So error coins on eBay, they're actually fraud. Yeah, just don't do it. Thank you and goodbye.